Hi guys, this is Erlich from Topper Chef, and many of my friends who know me know that I used to be a chef before, and everybody has asked me, "You gotta teach us how to cook, how to cook, how to cook. Show us how to cook Indian food." And every time I visited people's house, they showed me a curry powder and says, "Is this gonna turn out this way or that way?" And I cannot tell you. Indian food is a difficult way to cook. It's difficult to cook. When I go to the grocery store and I see in Aldi's the korma sauce, the vindaloo sauce, and everything which is there, and I look to myself and I look at all the preservatives, all the additives which is put into that. Now here it is, my channel for you, giving you the basics how to do Indian cooking, but fresh, all the steps, every step, why it is important to have cilantro, why it is important to have certain spices, how to make those spices. It's just not one spice which makes this channel. It's like a blend of all the spices. Everything goes into making a good sauce for meats, for vegetables, and then also I'm going to focus on the American crowd, the American people, especially because I want to blend Indian food with Mexican chilies and spices, blend with steaks, and it will be an amalgamation of really good recipes. I want you all to subscribe to my channel and make this a hit, because all these proceeds I think will go for a good cause to enlighten people about Indian food, and finally also to make more friends on the internet in Houston. Everybody who knows me, there are two things in life. One is food and the other is sleep. Now I've conquered both of them, so help me, my friends.